Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, we will need the SIM ejector. Now this thing comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from here, let's pop out the tray, which looks like it's located on the upper left side of the device, right over here. Push it in, the tray will pop out. Once you take it out, you will have space for a single SD card and 2 different SIM cards, so I'm gonna occupy one of each. There we go. When you place them, make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and from there, now hold it securely and slide it back into the device. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so I'm gonna quickly insert that. So obviously SIM card is working, and the only thing left is the SD card, which is also working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.